Guys, what if the most powerful Mac for creators, developers, and professionals in 2026 isn't a MacBook Pro or even a Mac Studio? What if it's a tiny box sitting quietly on your desk? That's exactly why the rumored Mac Mini M5 Pro is generating so much excitement. Apple has already transformed the Mac Mini from a basic desktop into a professional workstation, and if current reports are accurate, the next version could be the biggest Mac Mini upgrade yet. The Mac Mini has always been Apple's hidden gem. Unlike flashy iPhones or MacBooks, it doesn't get much attention from casual users. But professionals know how powerful this machine has become. With Apple Silicon, the Mac Mini evolved from an affordable desktop into a serious productivity machine. Now the M5 Pro version could push performance even further. Before we go deeper, remember that Apple has not officially announced a Mac Mini M5 Pro. However, the M5 Pro chip itself is already official through Apple's latest MacBook Pro lineup. Industry reports strongly suggest Apple plans to bring this chip to the Mac Mini later in 2026. According to reliable industry sources, Apple is expected to refresh the Mac Mini lineup during the second half of 2026. Many analysts believe the announcement could happen alongside other Mac updates later this year. While launch timing can always change, expectations currently point toward a fall release. One reason Apple may not need a redesign is because the current Mac Mini design is already excellent. The compact chassis introduced with recent generations dramatically reduced the desktop's footprint. It occupies very little desk space while still providing impressive cooling and connectivity. The beauty of the Mac Mini is that it proves powerful computers don't need to be large. Many desktop PCs require bulky towers and large cooling systems. Apple's engineering allows professional-level performance in a package small enough to fit almost anywhere. The biggest story here is the M5 Pro processor. Apple's latest chip architecture focuses on faster CPU performance, stronger graphics capabilities, and significantly improved efficiency. This is expected to be the heart of the new Mac Mini. Reports indicate the M5 Pro features a redesigned CPU architecture with more powerful performance cores and improved efficiency cores. This means faster app launches, quicker rendering times, smoother multitasking, and better responsiveness across demanding workflows. For professionals working in Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Xcode, Adobe Creative Cloud, and other demanding applications, the M5 Pro could provide a noticeable performance increase. Tasks that previously required more expensive workstations may become easier on the Mac Mini. Artificial intelligence is becoming one of the biggest focuses across Apple's ecosystem. The M5 Pro includes a significantly improved neural engine designed to accelerate machine learning tasks, Apple Intelligence features, and local AI processing. Apple Intelligence will continue expanding throughout macOS. Future software updates are expected to rely more heavily on AI-powered features. The Mac Mini M5 Pro could become one of the best desktops for taking advantage of those capabilities. Graphics performance may see one of the largest improvements. Reports suggest Apple has refined GPU architecture for better rendering performance, stronger ray tracing capabilities, and improved gaming support. Creative professionals could benefit enormously from these upgrades. Video editors are likely to be one of the biggest winners. Editing multiple streams of high-resolution footage, applying effects, color grading, and exporting projects could become noticeably faster. The Mac Mini M5 Pro may rival much larger desktop systems. One of Apple's biggest advantages is unified memory architecture. Current reports suggest the M5 Pro could maintain extremely high memory bandwidth, allowing data to move rapidly between the CPU, GPU, and neural engine. This benefits everything from video editing to AI workloads. The Mac Mini M5 Pro is expected to start with higher memory configurations than standard models. Professional users may have access to significantly larger memory options, making the machine suitable for demanding workflows and future software requirements. Connectivity could become another major upgrade. Thunderbolt 5 support is widely expected, providing dramatically faster transfer speeds. This would be especially valuable for creators working with high-speed storage arrays, professional displays, and external hardware. The Mac Mini has traditionally excelled at multi-display setups, and the M5 Pro version should continue that trend. Professionals who use multiple monitors for editing, programming, trading, or productivity may benefit from improved display support and bandwidth. One area where Apple Silicon continues to dominate is power efficiency. Despite delivering workstation-level performance, the Mac Mini consumes far less electricity than many competing desktop systems. The M5 Pro is expected to improve efficiency. Pricing remains uncertain because Apple hasn't announced the product yet. However, given the capabilities of the M5 Pro chip and the growing professional focus of the Mac Mini lineup, many analysts expect pricing to be higher than entry-level configurations, while still remaining significantly below a Mac Studio. If the current reports are accurate, the Mac Mini M5 Pro could become one of Apple's most impressive computers of 2026. Faster CPU performance, stronger graphics, advanced AI processing, Thunderbolt 5 connectivity, high memory bandwidth, and Apple's compact design could make it the ultimate desktop for creators, developers, students, and professionals. Until Apple officially announces it. Guys, subscribe to the Upgrade Zone for upcoming updates.